If you are a small business owner or running a press-on-nail business and you're tired of guessing where your money goes, how much stock you have left, or what you're actually making, then this video and tracker is for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Beverly and I am the owner of Pressedbybev, and I run a small business where I sell and make custom handmade press-on nails. In today's video, I'm walking you through my ultimate track like a boss nail business tracker, and I promise it's not your boring old spreadsheet. This one was designed with you in mind. It's easy to use and it helps you finally get organized without a headache. And if you want this tracker for your own business, even if you don't own a press-on-nail business, the link is waiting for you down in the description box below, ready for instant download. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos, and don't forget to follow me on all my other socials. Just a quick note before we dive in, for the purpose of this video, I won't be showing my actual past sales or personal financial info. I'll be using example numbers just to demonstrate how this tracker works so that you can get a clear understanding of how to use it for your own business. Why tracking is important. Before we dive in, I just want to quickly explain why tracking your business is so important, especially for nail techs and small business owners. Number one, you get to see your actual income, no more guessing how much you made that month. You can track all your orders so that you don't forget who paid, how much, and when. Stay on top of inventory, avoid running out of top coat right before an order, make better pricing decisions, see how much supplies are really costing you, grow your business confidently, and see real numbers and not just vibes. You're treating it like a business, not just a hobby. Now that we know why it matters, let me show you exactly how to use this tracker. First, we have your weekly expenses. So this sheet allows you to track all your expenses that you made during the week. This sheet allows you to track everything that you have spent during the week so that you're not all over the place and you can see what you're actually spending on, and you can track it down daily. So whenever you go to the store or you purchase online, you can write it in here and you can keep track of it. And at the end of the week, you can just minus all the expenses that you have spent. So how it works is you enter the date that you purchased the item. You then go to the expense type with the drop down arrow and you choose what expense it's going to fall under the category that you have chosen. So for example, packaging over here, and then you move on to description and you write what the product is that you bought. Then you write the amount of the product and you select the payment method that you used, whether you used PayPal, Google Pay, or cash, or whatever you used. Then you put down the quantity of the product that you bought, and you also can put down the store where you purchased your item. And a good thing about this weekly expense tracker is that you can add different weeks that you want. So there's July 2025 week 1, and you can add another week underneath as well. And if you want more space, like you want to add more columns or more rows, you just right click and then you can just add a row below or a row above, and that is very simple and it's very easy to use and manage. And on the side of the spreadsheet is a totals section where you can write your total for July on all the expenses that you made that month, so that it's easy for you to keep track of. And you can also change it, since we are in the month of August, you can change it to the month of August, the total for August. And at the bottom there is a totals section which is automatic. So whenever you enter a number at the top, it automatically calculates it for you. So you have the date where you write when the customer bought a set. Then you have the customer's name. Type in the name of the customer who placed an order. Then we have item. Use the drop down arrow to pick what they ordered, either a sizing kit, a level 1 or level 2, etc. And if you would like to change the options in the drop down menu, you can just click on the pen icon, and on the right hand side a tab will pop up and you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and click on add another item. And when you do that, it will allow you to add a category that you want that works for you in your business. So for example, you can write deluxe and then you can change the color of that option, and once you're happy, you click on it on the color that you chose and you press it down. Now when you go back to the drop down arrow and you want to select an option, you will see that the item that you just added is now there, and you can click on it and you can move on to the next section. Make sure that you type just this instance and not all, because then it will change all the options in the drop down. Then we have amount paid, and you can type here how much they paid for that set. And then we have payment method, and you can choose what payment method that they used. Either they used cash, card, or EFT, etc. You can also type in the quantity, how many items they bought, and then by the notes section, you can write any extras that you would like to type in, like shipping or if it was a rush order. And once again, if you would like to add a row below or above, just right click and click on add one row below or above. On the right is a price reference section where you can list all your set prices. That way you don't have to scroll through your Instagram looking for what you charge. And at the bottom, your monthly income total calculates automatically. Before we carry on with the rest of the video, I just want to let you guys know that I do have other digital products that will help you if you are a personnel business owner or a nail tech, or even if you're just a small business owner, and all the links will be in the description box below. The weekly income sheet is exactly like the monthly one, but broken down week by week, and this is great if you want to track income on a more detailed level. So this sheet is basically like the monthly one. You have your date, you have your customer's name, the item, the amount, the payment method, the quantity, and the notes section. And once again, on the right hand side, you have your price references. Now let's go to the inventory sheet. This is where you list all of your supplies, and it's pretty straightforward. You just type in every item that you want to buy or wish to buy, and you list the name, the amount, the place where you bought it, the store, and if it requires shipping or not, the quantity, size, and everything. So you just keep track of every item that you use in your business in this spreadsheet, and it will help you to see how much each product costs and where you're getting it from. And whenever you want to buy something new and you forget the price, you can just come back to this list and see where the product is and how much it costs. Next up is your inventory purchase sheet. This is when you actually go out and buy your supplies. So you enter the date you bought it, the item name, category like either gel polish or tools or nail tips. Then you'll put in your supplier or where you got it from, like maybe Shein or Amazon or your local beauty supply. Then you're going to write in the quantity you bought, the cost per unit, and the total cost. And it even auto calculates the total for you at the bottom, so you can see how much you spent for that month or that week if you prefer doing it for the week. And just like the previous spreadsheets, if you would like to change the options in the drop down menu, you just click on the pen once again and you follow the same steps to change and put in the category that you want that fits for your business. This spreadsheet is so helpful, the inventory usage and stock sheet. So you will type in the item name, the quantity you bought so far, and then you'll also write in the quantity used. And the tracker will auto calculate what's left in stock. And get this, if your stock goes below 5, it turns red to warn you that you are running low, which is pretty helpful because then you can keep track on what is low in stock. Then we have the loan tracker. If you borrowed money or need to track who owes you, this is the place. It includes date borrowed, amount, who it's from, the date you paid, amount paid, and the balance remaining. Simple and clean. Last but not least is your budget sheet using the 50-30-20 rule. If you don't know what it is, don't stress. Basically, it means 50% of your income goes to your business essentials like your expenses, which is your stock, your tools, etc. 20% goes to your savings or reinvestment, and 30% is to pay yourself because you do deserve to get paid. This helps you build a sustainable business where you're actually seeing the fruits of your labor, not just working and working without enjoying anything. And this can help you to divide your income 3 ways. So you can put all your expenses under the needs category, and then the wants, which is pay yourself. You can see how much you're actually paying yourself, and then savings as well. So that's the full tour of my nail business tracker. Whether you're just getting started or ready to scale, this tracker will help you stay organized, focused, and confident in your numbers. And the best part, when you download this tracker, you also get an ebook that explains everything in detail, from how to use each sheet to tips to staying consistent with tracking, so you're never left confused. You can grab yours right now. The link is in the description box below. It's an instant download, super easy to use, and trust me, once you start tracking, you'll never go back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.